How to fix Spotify login problem? This email and password combination is incorrect. Let's get started. So first of all, make sure you're entering the correct email and password. If you normally log in with Google, Apple, or Facebook, you can simply tap on login option instead of typing password manually. If it's still not working, open up your settings. In Start Settings, tap on General. In Search General, simply scroll below, tap on Date and Time, and make sure Set Automatically is turned on. Now head back to Settings, scroll below, tap on VPN and Device Management, and make sure you check that your VPN is turned off if you're using one. Now head back to your home screen, open up Spotify. Inside here, you want to go ahead and simply tap on Forgot Password, and then reset your password if needed. After resetting it, you can try logging into your account using the new password. If the issue still continues, open up Settings. Inside General, simply tap on iPhone Storage. Search for Spotify inside here and then tap onto it. Now tap on Upload App, then tap on Upload App again. Once you've done that, you want to go ahead and simply reinstall it. And once Spotify finishes reinstalling, you can open it and sign back into your account. That's it. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing to our channel and liking this video.